All right, let's go ahead and finish our math lesson for today. We have number 8. It says Joseph has 59 sports cards. His friend Tara gives him some more cards, but we don't know how many. Now Joseph has 78 sports cards. How many cards did Tara give him? So we know that he now has how many sports cards? How many total? Yep, he has 78 total. How many did Joseph have to start with? Yep, 59 sports cards. And then we don't know how many his friend Tara gave him. So that's our unknown. Let's add our minuses and our plus. Again, we can do 59 plus what equals 78? Or we can do 78 minus 59. Make sure your ones and your tens are lined up. Ooh, man, it's hard to draw on here. All right, if I have 8, can I take away 9? Or if the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, we go next door and we knock, knock, knock. Is anybody home? Yep, cross out our 7, take away 1, 10, ungroup it. So we have 6, and we give that 1 to our ones cup to make 18. 18 minus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 and 6 minus 5 is 1, so I get 19. Let's check our work with the adding up method. So let's write 59 to the side, and we're going to count up till we get to 78. When we get to 60, we're going to make a 10 stick till we get to 70. 59, 60, 70. I can't do another 10 stick because I'm going to the 10 or 7. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, and 78. Let's add them up. See if we get the same answer. We should get the same answer. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So no matter which way we do it, we would get 19 and 19. And then we can put our answer with the label. Text box here. And our answer is 19 sports cards. And those should be spelled correctly too because it's in our story problem. All right, now the last one. It says write a completed equation that starts with 27 and has 93 for the total. So if we have 90, or go ahead and draw a Math Mountain on your workbook page, and it wants us to have 93 for the total, so put 93 at the top and 27 as one of our add-ins. So it wants us to complete an equation that starts with these numbers. So, let's see, I'm going to add my minus and my plus after I have my Math Mountain all done, and I can do it one of two ways again. I can do 93 minus 27 and solve, or I can start with 27 and count up till I get to 93. I want you to pick one of those ways. Pause this right now. Click play when you are finished. All right, nice job, second grade. Let's check your work. So let's start with this one. If you did 93 minus 27, the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top. I go next door and I knock, knock, knock. My 9 becomes an 8 because I have to ungroup a 10. And my 1s becomes a 13. So 13 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I get 6. 8 minus 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I get 6. Okay, now let's do the adding up method. If I'm at 27, I need to get to 93. We should get the same answer. 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. Let's add it up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So we got the same answer both ways that we did it. Now I need to write an equation with this. Remember, with each one we can get 8, or with each math mountain we can get 8 different equations, where our total is at the beginning or our total is at the end. So you're going to pick one way. I'm going to write one way, and then I want you to come up with a different way than I came up with. I'm going to do 93 minus 27 equals 66. So I went this way on my math mountain. 93 minus 27 equals 66. There's another subtraction one and 2 addition ones you could do. If you are up for it, see if you can come up with all 4 equations based off that math mountain. All right, and then that is it for today. Have a great day.